So greetings to everyone. To create a cloning effect, first and foremost, we need to add two identical videos. For this, we will need to use, let me say right away, chroma key, which is the removal of the background. To do this, we need to go to the video tab and remove BG, meaning background. The background should be removed from the video that is on top, the one above, meaning the upper video. So we are removing the background from the upper video. There you go, as you can see. And as you can see, a cloning effect is created as if there are two cats. And when we play the video, this is what happens. Also, we can, for example, upload two completely different videos featuring different cats. Or for instance, these are identical cats, but in different movements. I hope this video was useful for you.